Actually, this is a 3D printed human skin model that really represents the skin compared to the human, because we have different layers of this model with different elasticity, starting from the epidermis, and then we have the dermal and the muscular fascia with different resistance, different elasticity, and so different sensations.
Skin is one of the hardest tissue to simulate because it's not a single homogeneous material. It's a multi-structured, anisotropic, and very various material that is so hard to replicate. It has different stiffness, elasticity, and tactile feedback according to the different anatomical sites and according to the patient age. Skin is soft, but on the other hand is also extremely resistant to tension and to tearing. And these features influence the way the skin behaves during surgical actions like cutting with a scalpel or placing stitches.
Here at the University of Pavia we have chosen for simulating materials, and we are currently 3D printing something which is very similar to the human skin to train our students. I think there's no way that a modern faculty of medicine can teach his own students without having to engage into medical simulation.